Hello, this is Bobby at Copal TV Repair with a functionality proof video for mainboard for Vizio LG 55G2-UG, belonging to a customer. The board was causing the TV to not start up, and there was no visible sound on the outside of the problem other than the TV being dead, but on the inside the power board was, after maybe about 30 seconds after the TV was started, the LED on the power board will start blinking 5 times, indicating an error code. Otherwise the voltages on the power board would be good. There was just nothing going on. The LEDs did not come up. Just to show what it's showing right now. Normal video, normal sound. A few markings, on the board so that the customer can know this is their board. The signature here is fairly unique, could be customers, and that's all. Works fine, standard 90 days warranty. There are several different things we've seen go bad on those boards. They're so thin and they do create warping, but they also have parts failing on them. So all good. Thank you very much.